Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make your dress shoes a little bit wider. What's up guys, welcome back to gentslounge. I'm George. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. We are here every week talking about men's fashion, lifestyle, and today, for those of you that have big foot problems like I do, we're talking about how to make your dress shoes a little bit wider. So a few days ago, we put out a video on how to make your dress shoes more comfortable, and a lot of you guys asked how to make your shoes a little bit wider. So today we're gonna cover all the ways you can possibly do to make your dress shoes just a little bit wider. Up first on the list, you can actually buy shoes that are made a little bit wider. So I know Allen Edmonds and a few other brands that I'll link in the description below make really stylish and really great wide format dress shoes. So if you have a super wide foot, this is probably gonna be the best option for you. But if your foot is just, slightly a little bit wider, you have some other options. And up next, wear thinner dress socks. Now I know this might sound like a no-brainer, like obviously dress socks are already thin to begin with, but there are some companies that make super thin, and even that, extra couple millimeters of thickness is going to make your foot feel so much thinner. I know I have to wear like skin tight, very thin dress socks for a lot of my shoes to fit comfortably because I do have a wider foot and a thicker foot too, so a lot of the thin streamlined Italian dress shoes fit really tight on me, but I do like the way that looks, so I suffer through the best I can. All right guys, so now we're moving on into actually making your shoes wider. So there's something you can buy online called a shoe stretcher. I actually found this one at a thrift shop and I've been using it for a lot of my shoes, but basically this is just for making kind of the toe box slightly wider. So what you wanna do with this shoe stretcher is basically slide it in like you would a shoe tree, get it in there nice and snug, and then kind of just basically turn it until it gets somewhat tight, and then give it 3 or 4 good turns. And there are other shoe stretcher options out there that will make your shoe longer, so you can add about 1/4 to even 1/2 a size of length in your shoe with these types of shoe stretchers. I have never used one because I pretty much buy shoes that fit my foot. I make sure they fit my foot where the toe is, but sometimes I have a little issue with the width. So I've never tried one of those, but I will link to a few down below that have very good reviews. And last but not least, if you really want to stretch your shoes out, you can take your shoes to a cobbler and he will do it for you. Now, if you have a really nice pair of shoes, I do recommend taking this to a cobbler. It'll probably be about $25 to $40, but it will be worth it because, he knows exactly what he's doing. He will make sure it's stretched to fit, and then you'll make sure you get the perfect fit. So if you guys want to do this at home, I will link to a shoe stretcher that will widen your shoes, and I will link to a shoe stretcher that will take it and make it a little longer. But if you really want to make sure you get the best results, I recommend going to a cobbler. Like if you want the best results with your suits, you go to a tailor. You want the best haircut, you go to a barber. So definitely find a cobbler, and most cobblers are really good. They can do so much stuff that you don't even realize, like they can resole shoes, they will shine your shoes for you, they can take scuffs out. Yeah, I think cobblers are probably the most underutilized people in the menswear industry, but I digress. So that pretty much wraps up the video, guys. I hope this was interesting for you. In a few days, we will put out a video on what to do if your shoes are a little too loose. So if you have not hit the subscribe button or that video would be interesting for you, please do that right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. And if you haven't followed us on Instagram at gentslounge, give us a follow over there. See you in the next one, guys. Cheers.